In this video, I will show you a few ways to earn free PayPal money for watching some videos or answering simple questions. But before we continue, please hit the like button so this video will reach more people, and also, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. It's completely free, and by doing this, you will be the first to hear when I drop a new money-making video on my channel. Thanks for your support. Now, the first website I want to tell you about is called Kashkick. Cashkick is a paid-to-do tasks website. The website allows people to participate in a variety of activities that result in a cash reward. You can sign up with your email and a password, and start browsing and earning instantly. It's simple. You find a task, or a mission as they call it, and begin the task. This can be watching videos, or answering a survey. Whatever you prefer. Once you have completed the task, you will get paid directly to your PayPal account. The website is free to use, and you can cash out your earnings via PayPal anytime. Now, before you sign up, this website will only work in the United States. I don't know why other countries are not allowed to participate, and if they will be added later. You also must be at least 18 years old. If you like to watch videos, or answer surveys, you will love this site. There's no limit to how much you can earn per day, so you can watch as many videos or take as many surveys as you wish. The second website that I recommend you to check out is called Swagbucks. This site is similar to Cashkick, but they give you points instead of money for completing different tasks. You can swap these points for Amazon gift cards, or real PayPal money. You can join Swagbucks from most countries in the world, unlike Cashkick that only allows US-based users, and the minimum age to join is 13 years in the US, and 16 for other countries. There are many different tasks to complete and earn here, from shopping on popular sites to participating in simple polls and answering surveys. You can also earn cashbacks from retailers that sell food, household, health, or beauty items. Payments happen via popular services like PayPal or Payoneer. And the last website that I want you to check out is called Ysense. This is another get-paid-to-do tasks website with plenty of choices. You can watch videos, play games, complete surveys or answer questions. Users from all countries in the world can join. If you have a computer, smartphone or tablet and some spare time, you can quickly earn extra money by sharing your opinion. This kind of paid work is very popular because you can start immediately, with no previous experience. There are no right or wrong answers, only your feedback and opinions. And to thank you for your time, you are rewarded with a wide choice of goodies, from cold, hard cash, PayPal, Skrill and Payoneer, to all kinds of gift cards and gift vouchers, Amazon, iTunes and many top retailers. You can find useful tips on how to find surveys quickly, and read real stories from users and how much they earned via the program on the website. The great thing about these sites is that you decide how much you will earn. If you have a lot of time, you can do more tasks and earn more money. It's up to you how much you make. Most of these tasks are easy, and take only a few minutes to complete. Even a child can do it. If you are in college, or need a side job, this is an easy way to earn some extra income. Even if you only do a few tasks per day, the money will soon add up. You can find the links to all the websites that I mentioned in the description box below this video. If you have any questions, or need more information, you can visit the help section where all the answers are provided. Okay, that's it. If you have something to add, or know another get paid to do task website, feel free to drop a comment below. I hope you liked the information in this video. If you did, please hit the like or subscribe button. Have a great day.